make bad decisions. I take life for granted after all I was given. I got no degree, I'm somewhat naive to think I made it here on my own. But lately that shit ain't been getting me higher. There's so much going on, Lord, I'm so tired. There's pain in my heart and blood all in the street, and I just don't know what to say. And maybe I'll pray, maybe I'll pray. I'll never lose faith in you, no. I'm gonna pray, pray. Maybe I'll pray. I haven't been in the church, I ain't been reading the Bible. I am still here and I'm still your disciple. I'm down on my knees and begging you to never leave. I could've died in that coma, but you let me breathe, and you let me out when I couldn't find a route. I couldn't even walk, but now my feet on the ground. I couldn't sing for 2 years, but you got it out of me. You gave me the words, and now I can speak. I'ma pray, maybe I'll pray. I'll never lose faith in you, no. Maybe I'll pray, and pray, maybe I'll pray, I'll never lose faith in you, no. Now won't you call me? Can we have a one-on-one, please? Let's talk about freedom. Everyone prays in the end. Everyone prays in the end. Now won't you call me? Can we have a one-on-one, please? Let's talk about freedom. Everyone prays in the end. Everyone prays in the end. I'm gonna pray and pray, I'll never lose faith in you, no. I'm gonna pray and pray, pray. Never lose faith.